In this DelftStack tutorial, we'll learn how to fix broken registry items in Windows 11. Make sure you watch this tutorial until the end to know exactly what to do. The process is simple, just follow these steps carefully. Follow along and you'll fix the issue correctly. First, open Task Manager. You can right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager, or press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. Once Task Manager opens, click File and select Run New Task. In the box, type cleanmgr.exe and click OK. Select the drive where the broken registry items exist. For example, select drive C and click OK. Repeat this for other drives if needed. Disk Cleanup will scan and show files that can be removed. Select the files you want to delete and click OK. This removes unnecessary and broken files from the system. After that, open Task Manager again. Click File and select Run New Task. Type CMD, enable administrative privileges, and click OK. Once command prompt opens, copy the DISM command dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Paste the command into command prompt and press Enter. The deployment image scan will begin. Make sure command prompt is running with administrator privileges. Wait patiently for the process to complete as timing varies by system. Let the scan reach 100% before continuing. After completion, open Task Manager and run CMD again as administrator. This time paste the SFC scan command. Press Enter to start the system file checker scan. Wait until the scan completes fully. Next, open Windows Settings and create a restore point. Creating a restore point helps fix broken registry items. Search for System Restore and select Create a Restore Point. Open System Protection Settings. Follow the options to create a restore point. Once completed, your system restore point is created. Your system is now fixed and ready to use. Thanks for watching. See you next time.